Today, we're talking about how to make your snacks delicious and satisfying. Whether you want to beat those midday hunger pains or simply enjoy tastier snacks, we've got some easy tips for you today. Tip number 1, balance snacks. A balanced snack is one that combines different types of food like protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This mix gives you a variety of nutrients, keeps your energy levels steady, and makes you feel full without going overboard on calories. Tip number 2, mix things up. Keep a variety of snacks available, like nuts, fruits, veggies, and some sources of protein. Good examples of this are like Greek yogurt and cheese. This way, you'll always have something to satisfy your cravings while keeping you fueled and happy. Our clients really enjoy the HSN egg muffin recipe because it's convenient and it's also a well-balanced option. Tip number 3, add more veggies. Vegetables are loaded with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When you include them in your snacks, you boost the nutritional value of your diet without adding lots of calories. It's definitely an easy way to stay healthy and make you feel your best. Some quick options are things like celery, cucumber, and carrots, as they provide a satisfying crunch and natural flavors that can really enhance taste and texture. Remember, the key to making your snacks more satisfying is to include a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This will keep you fuller, longer, and reduces the temptation to grab those less nutritious snacks. So go ahead and make a yummy and delicious snack. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.